Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash. I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you trade on other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, and others, you can also check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and if you have been watching my videos or if you have watched any of my previous videos, then you know these levels pretty well because this was the setup we have been following for the last couple of days. And yesterday when we saw that there was a good move, good move on GBP USD, okay, and as per our expectation, okay, it also faced some selling pressure from above. So if you have a sell position right now on the chart of GBP USD, then my dear friend, you don't need to do anything. Okay, as per our expectation, market face selling pressure, and right now market is going down. What should be your take profit target? Your take profit target should be the around 1.3570343560. I think that the 50 moving average that is coming up, okay, may act as the support for the market, temporary support for the market. So if you have a sell position right now, okay, considering our previous views, okay, then be on the trade and exit here, okay, at the or exit or at least book your partial profit. Clear? And on the other hand, if you have missed the opportunity like me, then I'll say that yes, you can also take a sell position right now. Okay, you can take a sell position right now with your stop loss above these levels. Okay, so your stop loss will be around 50-60 pips. If you still want to take a position, you can take a position, but keep in mind, my dear friend, as we all know, market is very sensitive right now to news. As we all know, there's a crisis going on between the Russia and the Ukraine. So as a result, market is extremely sensitive to news right now. If possible, try to stay away. Okay, try to stay away. And especially when you are okay, when you have already missed the opportunity, you should leave it. Okay, you should skip the day, because first of all, today is Friday, and secondly, market is extremely unstable right now. And moreover, we also have retail sales coming up on United Kingdom GBP. So as a result, there will be some spikes also, unexpected spikes in the market. So please be careful. If possible, if you're a new trader, beginner, then you can avoid the day and just observe the market and try to learn. Okay, and if you are an experienced trader, if you have been trading for a considerable amount of time, let's say 2 years, 3 years, then that's your call, man. You can also switch to lower time frame and you can trade. But again, I'll say that if you have a sell position, be on the trade, exit around here. If you haven't on, if you are looking for a fresh opportunity, then my dear friend, skip the trade. Okay, skip the trade. Or if you still want to take the trade, you can take a sell position, but please follow proper risk management, because in this market condition, the extremely good setups are also failing. Okay, and risk management is the most important key. Any analysis can be wrong. I can be wrong as well. My SLs are being hit. Okay, here and there. Okay, so please be careful with this market. So this market is very dangerous, okay, if you do not follow proper risk management. And our support zone around 1.3500 to 1.3450 is still a valid level. If you want to take a buy position here, and if you see a proper bounce, you can take a buy position here as well. I would like to add one more thing. Okay, if you are an intermediate trader, if you have been trading, then yes, you can look for a buy around 1.3550, around this level, because there is a minor support, there is a temporary support around this level. If you see a proper bounce around this level, you can look for a buy as well. Okay, so honestly speaking, there are other opportunities as well in this chart, but I do not want to discuss and confuse you. Okay, because as I said, okay, I would like to teach you the discipline. You should know, okay, when to trade and when not to trade. Okay, so and rest of the decision is yours. Bye bye. Take care.